Hello and welcome to the March newsletter with NC Cooperative Extension in Cherokee County. Thank you for taking the time to read our newsletter. And we just want to remind everyone that we have a lot of programs and activities, and please look at the dates and follow the information below or in our newsletter on how you can sign up for those programs. We also want to remind everyone that we have two locations. We have our meeting room, which is located at 699 Conahita Street in Murphy, North Carolina. And we have our offices, which are located at 40 Peachtree Street, which is the courthouse annex in Murphy, North Carolina, on the second floor. There are times when we are teaching programs, preparing to teach a program, or out in the field that there may not be anybody at our offices during the week. We have developed some self-help tables that are available when you come to our offices. Also, on the first floor, when you enter the facility, we have a TV that displays our information. If we are at the meeting room or out in the field, you can also leave us a message on our phone. You can send us an email, or I have a way for you to leave me some information. I do agriculture work and urban horticulture, as well as the county extension director, on a form called Agent Assist. It allows me to also share that information with the master gardeners, who may also be able to assist me with some of the questions that you may have. Once again, thank you for taking the time to read our newsletter, and we really look forward in seeing you at some of our programs and activities. Have a great day.